Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Coding. Today we are going to discuss about second largest element problem in array. So how to find second largest element if we have to provide array. So let's start our problem. So suppose this is the array and we have to find second largest element. So in the array we have 3, 5, 2, 1. So here 5 is the largest element and 3 is the second largest element. So in our result, we have to find 3 value. So let's start our algo. How we'll write this algo? So first we have to check if input array size is of less than n. If we have the array which size is less than n, then it will be false. So we have to check, and if less than n, so no need to go inside the loop, directly we can return the value. We don't have this value. Okay, and after that we need to define first and second element, and we can define both as a minus infinity value. So here we can define integer dot mean value. It will be the first and second, both we can define it here, and we start iterating the loop. So suppose A is the array, and we'll check first if x is less than first. So array of I is x is the value of array of I is less than, is greater than first element. So whatever we assume the largest element, first element, it should be greater than that. Then we assign this value. We assign second to first, and here what we did, we again assigned in the first array of I value, array of I value. If it is not, then here we are checking each array of I is greater than second element, is greater than second element, second, and here we are checking another condition, and array of I should be not equal to the first element. What was the first element? We got the value, and then we have to check if this is the correct. We are assigning here second element equal to array of I. If all loop will be iterate, and then we got our, we reach in the end of that, and here we are checking one more condition. If second equal to minus infinity, if second value is still minus in integer dot mean value, which is minus infinity, in that case we have to return minus. If this is true, then in our array we don't have any value. Then what we have to do here, we have to, we can use either if else condition, or we can use the tertiary operator. We can write like that: if this is true, then -1, or if it is not true, then we just need to return the second element, and our problem will be solved. So let's try to start how to write the integer dot mean value, and we define second also integer mean value. Here we are checking size of array dot length. If n is less than 2, then what we have to do? We have no second element, we just need to return -1. And let's start our loop here. I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here we are checking if array of I is greater than first, then what we are doing? We are assigning second in the first, and first we are assigning second array of I. So this is our logic. If this is not correct, we have to write else if condition where array of I is greater than second and array of I not equal to first. Then what we have to do? We are assigning second equal to array of I, and if loop will be execute completed, then in the end here we are just checking return. So let me write in the tertiary operator, and then we'll see how it will be. If second equal to integer dot mean value, then we have to get -1. If not, then we are to return second. And this is our code, and it's completed. Let me compile and run it. And here we can see all the test case here is passed, and let's submit now. And this is completed. Here we can see all the test cases passed and it's completed. So this is the basic logic. We have to define two elements, first and second, and we are comparing current element with first. If that is greater, then we are assigning to first and second, and then current element in the first. And in the else if condition, if current element is greater than second and array of current element is not equal to first, then we are assigning current element in the second, and then you are getting the result. So I hope it's very clear and we got it how to solve this problem. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And if you really like it, you can provide your feedback or comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned with what next problem we have to do this one.